Hi Sweet Peas! Thank you for joining me for another video. Today we are heading to my kitchen to do a science experiment. We are going to study rain clouds. I wonder how they work. If it's been raining at your house recently, tap your nose. It's definitely been raining a lot here in Oakland. So I thought we could take a look at how rain works. Follow me. All you need for this easy and exciting science experiment are a clear jar or glass, some shaving cream, and watercolor. Or if you don't have watercolor at home, you can also use food dye or food coloring. First, we will need to fill our clear jar with water almost to the top, about right there. Now we're ready for our shaving cream. Before we squirt the shaving cream, you have to shake as hard as you can so we know that it's going to be nice and fluffy when it comes out. So give your shaving cream a good old shake. And now we're ready to squirt it onto the top of our water. You'll see that my shaving cream has almost run out, so it is quite hard to squeeze. But use your strong muscles, use your strong fingers, and you could get shaving cream all the way to the top. This is going to mimic our cloud. So the shaving cream is our cloud, and last we will add our watercolor. Now, if you have a dropper at home, you can use one of those as well, and that might make this even more fun. But I don't have a dropper, so I'm going to carefully turn my watercolor over and squirt it on top of the cloud. This is how a cloud collects water. Now, as the cloud fills up with water, I wonder what happens. I'm going to drop little raindrops, little bits of water all over the top of my cloud. Look at what happens when when the cloud becomes heavy with water. The blue is acting like the water. The rain is collecting the water, and when it becomes really heavy, gravity starts to pull the water down in big, beautiful droplets. You can even see a raindrop falling on the side. Look at all of that beautiful rain streaming down. Now you can keep adding more if you like, or you're welcome to dump it all out and try it again and again and again. Wow. Do you see the raindrops falling down? Let's try it one more time together, and then I want you to give it a try. That's amazing. I could do this all day long. Thank you for watching, Sweet Peas. I hope you have a lot of fun with this rain cloud science experiment. If it's raining outside where you live, go ahead and take a listen. Go outside, jump in some puddles, and have a great day. I love you.